Yeah. Throttle Thraper, and we are back. Yeah, mad. Big boy upgrade, you know. But not on the bike. Got a new camera, new mic. Got the DJI Osmo Action 5. Got the wireless mic. I think it's the mic mini or something like that. Yeah, man. Just messing about with the settings still, seeing how it runs. Get me? No, the bike's running mint. Come on, man. We're active, we're too loud out here. But yo, I've also got a new visor as well. New tinted thing. Let's get busy. You mad? Obviously it's getting a bit dark as well. Still light, but yo, everyone's lights are beaming. It's a bit dull today. Let these lovely people go. Yo, I've done a few vlogs with the camera already. Bare editing. I deleted them. Who's flashing me, bro? I got lights, don't watch me. He's flashing the bird with the suitcase, one of them. Yeah, done bare editing. Went to put it all over to my hard drive. Ended up waiting for it to transfer all over to my hard drive and then deleting it all. Not all of it, off the computer, off the hard drive. But I ain't a tech geek out here, see what I'm saying? Didn't want to get in that bird's way, but at the same time the zebra crossing's there, love. You know what I mean? Bare undies and that round here. Not too fussed though. Legal beagle. Outside, man, this bike's naughty. Big boy Yamaha XJ6, big techer. Woo! Even when we're chilling on my menace, oh, surely I weren't even doing 30 then. You know what I'm saying? We go this way, yeah. I don't really do town like that. I don't even shop in town, bro. You know what I'm saying? You know what we're saying, keep it revving, woohoo! Hit the ring road. Be so outside, man. Oh, it's starting to rain, bro. Mazzalina. Mirror's a bit skew whiff from where I put my lock on and that. I've got a good few locks I put on this, you get me? Yo, if you got a bike, yeah, security wise, get everything. Oh, you want one tracker? Get two. You want two trackers? Get three. But yo, if you're using one disc lock, consider using three. Yeah? If you're using one chain, consider using two or three. You know what I'm saying with this? You know where I'm going? The D-lock thing, isn't it? Get a few of them. And then use them all together, bro. And then it still might not be safe, because if you're not actually chaining it to something, yeah, big risk it's just going to get put in the back of a van, bro. Swear to God. It's peak out here. Proper peak out here. You know what I'm saying? Keep it revving. Get on a Mazda. Make man para. All that. But yeah, we're just keeping it positive, man. You know what I'm saying? Got the new camera, the new mic. Should be sounding crisp. Even the bike should be sounding crisp. Fuck it, let's go down these ways. Whoa, whoa. They're about to scrap it, bro. Nah, I think they're just playing still. Am I pulling out? Are you parking? Got the new visor and that. Basically I had a clear visor and it bare scratched. I was looking on the AGV website and all that, or whatever the brand of the helmet is, yeah. I think like, yo, a tinted visor on like Amazon or eBay was like 10 times cheaper, bro. You've only got one headlight, big man. Woo! That was a big pothole. And swerved it. I'm gonna switch the camera in a second. It's the way my mount is, isn't it? I've got my own DIY mount, which I had for my old camera, so I've just improvised with a new thing. Obviously put the DJI magnet thing on it, or whatever, a little magnetic fucking bracket, and then whack the camera onto that. Boom. So we're going to switch it now onto my handlebars, yeah? Get my glove back on. Yeah, yeah. We can make that. Just pre it. It's getting a bit dark, so I don't want to do it for too long, yeah? Woo! Man's looking sick, bro. Are you mad? Got the rose gold tinted visor. We're out here on a summer's day, bro. It's fucking, yo, it's sick, bro. I ain't gonna lie. I like this view as well. Raw sound and that. Come on. Woo! You're mad. You rate it though, what you saying? Do you rate it? Come on, drop it down in the comments and all that. And what you saying to the new camera? Yeah? You feeling it? We outside. We outside, man. Woo! I don't trust my the camera on the handlebars and all that, doing all that mad shit, you know what I'm saying? But yo, we're outside, bro. Come on. Woo! I think the quality of this camera is fucking 10/10. I ain't gonna lie. I ain't getting sponsored by them either. Let me just quote that. There's no advertisement or nothing. Man, I ain't on that level, bro. Calm yourselves. But yeah, man. Feeling it. Come on. What are we telling them? Got my shades on. Mad thing. Yo, we're outside, man. You know what it is. Woo! I'm gonna switch the camera back round in a sec. Fucking exhaust is ridiculous, bro. Mazza. That's what it is. It's a Mazza. You feel me? Yo, but big up everyone supporting and that, commenting, all that, liking, subscribing as well, you get me? Got bare content coming, trust me. Especially now I've got this camera and the mic, like I've proper invested, you get me? The stunt rides and all that are going to be 10-10 now. I'm going to be doing this vlogging thing in between, where I just talk a bit of shit. But yeah, man. Good vibe. Yak smash. High five. I like you. Woo! But yo, I'll switch this now, yeah? If I can, before these traffic lights change. Oh, man's on a mad thing. Come on. I'll just stay happy and humble still. You know what I'm saying? That's how you gotta be out here, man. Why you ain't? Because I get why people are fucking screw face and all that, yeah? Because there's a lot of negative shit out here. You know what I'm saying? A lot of it. But yeah, fuck all the negative vibes anyway. Good vibes only. We're out here. How's the footage? You get me? Testing the new DJI Action 5 Pro. Boom. With the DJI mic mini wireless settings. Ooh. Come on. Woo, raw sound. Yeah, man, the streets of Coventry, you know. Oh, it's starting to rain, man. I know I said that a few times, but now it's actually slapping me in the face. I ain't feeling it. The weather was banging like the past week or two. Like, it's been fire. But it ain't normally like that. You know what I'm saying? Come on. Nearly said it again. You know what I'm saying? Oh, nah. Free the cars, man. Fuck the penalties. Them man are waste, man. Worst type of people. Why would you even get a job like that? You know what I mean? Just pissing on people's chips, bro. For those who don't know, you know what I mean? They were like fucking ticket inspectors. Like, you ain't got a permit to park there and all that. Them man are coming round and slapping a little sticker on your window. I remember I got one for parking in Tesco Rico Arena, yeah. Oh my God, I came back to a little sticker on my seat, bro. I swear to God. Like, and the funny thing is, yo, I didn't even see the sticker, yeah. I got back to yard and fucking, yo, the sticker was stuck to my ass, innit? And someone's told me, it was a girl that told me, by the way, so why for that, you get me? But yeah, let's make that clear. I'm gonna cut this soon because of the fucking rain, you know. fucking hungry, so I'm going to get some din-dins. You know what I'm saying? Woo! Yeah, good vibes only out here, man. But yeah, man. Funny shit. Yeah, this rain's coming hard now. We're getting to yard quick time. Apparently this camera's very waterproof. I can put it underwater and everything apparently without no case. Are you deluded, bruv? I should have brought my brolly.